welcome to our vlog for today's video. Nag-request ng mga kids ng Ocean Park, so that is where we're going.
Hi guys! Hi kayo, hi! Hi!
So we left Bulacan around 9 a.m. and then we got here past 10. And tamang-tama lang kasi kaka-open lang din nila. They open at 10 a.m.
Hi guys!
I booked our ticket ahead of time. So we got our tickets sa Klook. And it's much cheaper kasi instead of 750 pesos, 680 pesos lang for each. Diba? Laking tipid din kasi madami kami. And since wala pang tao, inuna muna namin ay yung Super Toy Collection.
Tabi! Wow!
So, itong attraction na to, napakaliit lang niya. Ang bilis lang namin siya naikot. So, since di pa kami nagla-lunch, kumain lang kami ng very quick. And then, nagpunta na kami sa Oceanarium.
Wow, big! Siyempre, no?
Tako?
Oh?
Pinakain ko.
Hi!
Ah!
Ayun, nasa likod yung mga fish.
So, obvious naman, no? Ito talaga yung favorite part namin kasi napakadaming magagandang fishes, sobrang makukulay, and enjoy talaga mga kids. So, ito na yung living ocean. Napakaswerte namin this time kasi walang tao. As in, kami lang. So, yun. Ang ganda ng pictures namin.
Dali, wala pa. Ganyan. Ah. Ayun, dali. Kakagating ka na. Dali. Ayun na. Ayun.
Ayan o, lalaki ng mga sharks. So, enjoy talaga mga kids. Ang dami nilang nakitang mga fishes and all. So, if I were you guys, kung magstay kayo dito kayo matagal na magstay. If that makes sense. Kasi para sulit yung visit nyo. So, yan. Of course, we had our families shots, right? So, enjoy yung mga kids. Nakapaglibot na kami sa oceanarium and then nakapag-stay na rin kami ng medyo matagal. So, sulit na yun for us. Ang sarap talaga sa mata ng mga fishes. Oh my God. Anyways, so after neto, ang next attraction na is yung penguins. Siyempre, hindi papauli si Ate Badet. Meron din siyang mga magagandang shots. So, inside this next attraction, meron siyang mga infographics sa wall. All about Antarctica, all about penguins, really everything, all the info that we need to know about, these stuff. So, yan, super cute yung mga penguins. Di ba? Ang cute niya mag-swim. And sila Travis, they got the package, yung penguin feeding, and then photo ops. And while we're waiting, dun kami sa Christmas Town. Cutie. So, next part na yung souvenirs. So, we have stuffed toys, keychains, toy for the kids. And, syempre, since puro kids yung kasama, panigurado magtuturo. Kita nyo naman si Trevor, may binit-bit na. And then, meron ding arcade. So, pinasyal din muna namin yung mga kids very quick. And then, konting snacks. And, bale, at this time, meron pa kaming 2 attractions na hindi napupuntahan. Yung creepy crawlies and yung jellies. So, we took our time na maglibot kasi mahangin. Although, very mainit kasi tanghaling tapat. But, yeah, we still enjoyed it. It was so fun.
Maganda po rin.
How about this one?
Scary.
So nakita niyo naman, enjoy na enjoy sila Trevor and Zoe sa mga snakes and all. So next attraction that we went to was yung mga jellyfishes. So, ayun, another snack breaks. Alam niyo naman, ang mga kids ay napapagod. Gusto nila mag-recharge. So, at this time, naghihintay na lang kami for the Sea Lion and Bird Show. Kasi mga ano yan around 3 p.m. And naghihintay lang kami. Tapos, pinag-play lang namin yung mga kids. Kasi yung start ng show is 4:30.
Travis! Zoe! Hi, guys! Hi!
Good thing, nagpapasok na sila at 4 p.m. So, maganda yung spot namin.
The Filipino seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along their riverbank. Here goes me. Dramatized and one of our 140 species of birds of prey are Roldo. The only natural species of also who are Bye! By the way, guys, please remain at our seat because we still have a sea lion show. Thank you!
Hello, everyone! Wow, what a beautiful entrance! Good day, everyone. Flat rocking lives with typhoons and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have aim or escaping from predators. They can achieve a burst speed up to, ready Sandra? 25 miles per hour! Wow! How about a round of applause for Sandra? It's a sexy yes! Excellent work, buddies. Distance movement! Everybody come on! And lovely bird dancing into the water. Riva! And for the finale. Steady and let's go! Yeehaw! Round of applause for Sea Lion friends and the trainers as well for the great time. By the way, guys, if you love some souvenir pictures.
So after ng shows, we availed yung photo ops with the Sea Lion. It's only for 700 pesos. Kaya ayan.
Sir, sama po kayo kay Jenna dyan sa kabila po. Baiwan na lang po si Baiwan na lang po si Kuya sa akin. Tara ma'am, dito po tayo. Tara po. Ma'am, dito po tayo ma'am. Palit po kayo ng pwesto ni Kuya. Guide ko lang po si Kuya ha. Sige ma'am, palit ka po. Dito po kayo ma'am. Ma'am, touch po tayo ma'am. Touch ka Kuya. Touch ka. Yo, soft touch lang po ha. Soft touch lang.
Travis, are you happy?
So, after ng Ocean Park, since malapit na lang din naman ng MOA, pinasya na din namin yung mga kids sa MOA. Dito na din kami nag-dinner, and hinayaan lang namin yung mga bata na sulitin na ang araw at mapagod. Char. So, ayun, nag-arcade, carousel, nag-snacks, and then, natapos yung activities namin that day around 5, 6, 7. Yeah, around that time. Basta late. So, yun. Alam namin pagod na sila.
Guys! Uwi na! Happy? Hi! Okay ba? Okay? Okay. Okay? Okay? Okay.